What if I told you that the fruit sitting in your kitchen right now could still be covered in pesticide residue, wax, and bacteria even after you wash them? That's exactly what PurePod claims to solve. This tiny gadget uses something called OH ion technology. You drop it into a bowl of water with your fruits and vegetables, wait about 10 minutes, and supposedly it helps break down contaminants that regular rinsing can leave behind. And here's the part that's gone viral online. Many users show the water turning cloudy, brown, or even pink after cleaning their produce. The videos make it look like PurePod is pulling hidden dirt and chemicals straight out of your food. But here's where things get interesting. While the official website says PurePod removes pesticides, wax, and bacteria, some independent reviewers point out that dirty-looking water alone doesn't automatically prove those contaminants were removed. The color change could be caused by several factors, and there isn't a lot of publicly available third-party testing shown in the marketing. So, is PurePod a scam? Not necessarily. There are real customers who say they love it, and the company offers a money-back guarantee. But there are also people questioning whether the dramatic before and after videos are stronger than the actual scientific evidence. The bottom line? PurePod might help clean produce better than a simple rinse, but if you're buying it, buy it for convenience and peace of mind, not because a viral ad convinced you it's a miracle machine. Because sometimes the biggest thing being cleaned is the marketing.